Ioja's Crockpot Seafood Minestrone Stew Dinner. Slice one medium potato into chunks. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave for 4 minutes. Meanwhile, slice one small carrot, one small bell pepper, and 1/2 medium onion. Place in bottom of crockpot. Top with microwaved potato, 1½ cups frozen seafood mix, 1 15-ounce canned tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon minced garlic paste, 1 tablespoon minced ginger paste, 1 tablespoon chicken broth granules, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon red chili pepper flakes, 10 sliced Spanish olives, 2 tablespoons dried parsley flakes, and 3 small bay leaves. Cover and cook on low for at least 7 hours. Approximately 45 minutes prior to serving, add 100 grams pasta and 1/2 cup hot water. Cover and continue cooking. Approximately 5 minutes prior to serving, slice 1 whole wheat dinner roll into 4 pieces. Top with minced garlic paste on one side of each slice. Toast roll slices on both sides in 1 tablespoon olive oil on medium heat. Remove and place on microwavable plate. Top each toasted roll slice with crumbled almond baby cheese and a basil leaf. Microwave for 1 minute. Remove bay leaves from stew. Plate stew and basil cheese toast. Serve, and bon appetit.